Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. No, don't take that one. This is 2018 Transit. This is before. So you say have no. So delete session. You can even save it and go. Now it will go and read it for you again from a new session. All others. Those the other ones, they never work. Say yes. If there is no communication with the engine computer, you see this VIN number here is different. So now we're gonna go to the next. This VIN number is different. It's not the VIN number for maybe this from the computer. Okay. So now we go to the box here, the red box. Now go to
module?
No. Go to module programming. You can double click here just instead of double. Yeah. Now go to module programming installation. Okay. Now go to PCM. Down. Yes, PCM. Okay. Ignition on. Click next. Okay. You remember the VIN number, the first VIN number? Look at here. Click on the car. This VIN number ending with 357. Look at the other one.
Different.
Okay, so we're gonna okay, click here. No, the other one. So we are going to be sure which VIN number, because whatever you click is gonna take adapter. So we're gonna look at here. The VIN number here ending with 11. Yeah, say
Yes.
now you're gonna say yes. Now you're gonna wait. Now we will go connect the system online, look at it, synchronize it. كل يوم حاجة جديدة. طيب, you see the Honda camera alignment?
Yeah, Honda Civic.
That one maybe is the last time I did it, maybe 3-4 years ago. And once
I'm lucky.
once a year.
Once in like every 3 years.
Yeah. Wait, it will prepare itself. عشان كده you have to download camera recording, screen recording. You're gonna keep this one here in the future.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Very important. معناته بدخلنا online يقول له اوكي. اللوكيت necessary file. مرات لما يجي في البرمجة يلقى انه نفس الفايل موجود هناك، فإنستيد ياخذ 1 اور ولا كده طوالي بديك له 1 2 3. مرات المفروض في حاجة تانية بيسموه ترانسميشن ذات الفالف عنده كونفجريشن. المفروض تقراه من القديم وتخطه للترانسميشن. I'm still working, locating the file, locating necessary files, and click file for integrity. If you want to clone the computer, if you have a good tools, you can clone it too.
Like the one we did in the office yesterday?
Yeah. Okay. Now you look for the integrity, if everything is okay. So you just have to wait. Nissan is faster. GM also is faster. As soon as you go inside, you lock in and go. Now it says switch ignition off. Finally, look like there's a wiper working backwards. Okay. So you click next. No, click next. Don't take the key out. That's a different people. Install the new computer. Say yes. We already installed it. Open the ignition. So click next. Ensure battery good condition. Say next. Click confirm. Ignition on. Click next. Erase procedures. go and you do lame departures or حاجات كده and you're using the input from the other one, that's good.
أنا بس
Okay, erase procedures, download data. Finish. Done. Click next. That's the software that we change it.
done.
شفت از بالدارة ده؟ شفتها؟ أنا ده انتهيت از بالدارة. لما تقول از بالدارة بديك از بالدارة. طيب now see I cannot start the car, you see? لأن البادي control module and the engine computer is different. So let's go now.
Okay.
Go to toolbox again. I'm sure BCM.
Application.
BCM body control. Sorry. Click on body. Security. Path function.
Okay, this factor key. This program the key.
هاي مثلا security. بالانتي سيت بيسموه passive anti set. ما له سكي برا. في a lot of function. Okay, yes. كده المحل. Okay, let's go now. This is sometimes this is a problem here. I'm not going to make this. Just gotta push button and say yes.
Kilo.
Aye. No. So I'm عملت غلط, sorry. It's supposed to be key. Sorry, that's my mistake.
So we're gonna do. Okay.
I make a mistake there. Go start all over. Then you make a mistake.